Okay. My name is Mitsuhiko Yamashita. I'm Executive Vice President of the Nissan, in charge of the Research and Development Division.
You're the alternative energy man.
I think so.
You told me to call you Mike.
Yes.
Mike, Nissan has said that they will launch an electric vehicle that will run about 82 miles to the gallon. When will they launch it? Will it be here?
82 miles per
It's 100 kilometers for 3 liters.
Oh, this is not the alternative fuel. This is like a conventional internal combustion engine. But we are going to put the many new technologies and then realize this 3-liter car. Yeah.
And so will that be launched in Japan or in the United States?
We haven't decided yet, but this is available on the global basis.
Oh, I see. And do you have any PZEV vehicles in your product lineup? Partial zero emission vehicles?
So-called like California emission.
Yes.
We already have like a lot of those the low emission vehicle. Historically, Sentra was the first vehicle to pass the PZEV requirement in California. But from that time, we have been developing a lot of the new technologies, and our goal will be like almost to the atmosphere equivalent type of emission is our ultimate goal, and then we will reach to that one within next several years.
Carlos Ghosn has always said that hybrids were a terrible business proposition. In fact, the hybrid technology is so expensive that General Motors, BMW, and Daimler Chrysler are all collaborating together. But recently, Mr. Ghosn has said that Nissan was going to build their own hybrid technology.
Yes.
How can you do that when everyone else is acknowledging that it's so expensive?
How to reduce the cost of the hybrid system is our engineering kind of challenge. But we are going to make one effort to reduce the cost in each individual main component, like a battery, motor, inverters. And to reduce the cost, the key point is how we can increase the volume of those production. So from that sense, the Nissan's strategy is not to use those systems by ourselves, but also the outsell the system to the other like OEMs or like suppliers if they require. So that's our direction. Anyway, combining the volume sales and then technology development, we are going to reduce this cost and then make it more affordable for general customers.
You have, under your green program, 2010,
yes.
Yeah, you are planning to launch an electric vehicle. Will that be with a standard electrical outlet so that you can just plug into a home?
Yeah, right. It's very easily, charged by like, the domestic kind of system. So everybody can, access that to the power source.
Now, in the same program, that the green program, you're planning to launch a new fuel cell vehicle. Honda has brought out their FCX that has a vertical stack. Volkswagen is bringing out the new their vehicle that will have high temperature. Has Nissan seen any breakthroughs in fuel cell economies?
Yes, we have our own the stack development in-house. And then also we already developed the high pressure hydrogen tank, and together with those technology that probably our current prototype model is top level in the global basis already. So, but how we can make more affordable price for the all general customer? That is the challenge, but that will be available within the next several years.
Now, HCCI, the Homogeneous Charge Compression Ignition. It's an advanced technology that allows a gasoline engine to get diesel fuel efficiency and torque, but less NOx. How close are you to bringing that to market?
Still, we have a lot of the challenges to reach that HCCI. Theoretically, it's right, but how we can achieve the very realistic manners, and that is still a challenge. We have two routes. One is from the gasoline combustion type of the approach. The other one is the diesel combustion approach. But both will reach the same kind of ultimate goal, HCCI. but we are still doing some kind of a continuous effort to reach that the ultimate goal.
Which will come first, fuel cell vehicle or HCCI?
Very good question, but very difficult to answer at this moment, but probably within the same time frame. Fuel cell vehicles, the obstacle is the cost. How we can reduce the cost, and then HCCI is similar thing, the cost, but more like technological, the barrier is still existing. So good question, but I cannot answer right now very precisely.
Yamashita-san, Mike, thank you very much.
You're welcome.